Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we learn that being in the red might lead to a pink slip or at least a very long talk with the Nasdaq people. Today we are diving into Aeries Technology Incorporated S Recent Form 8K filing. This isn't just any report, it's a heads up about a serious situation involving their stock price and Nasdaq requirements. If you want to truly understand what goes on behind the scenes in the corporate world and how these filings impact companies and investors, then you are in the right place. Also, after this quick dive, be sure to join our Discord community, linked below for even more unfiltered insights. So what exactly is this filing all about? Well, Aeries Technology Incorporated, also known as the company, received a notification from Nasdaq, specifically from their listing qualifications department, or the staff. This notification is about the company's Class A ordinary shares not meeting a crucial requirement. The specific issue is the closing bid price of their Class A ordinary shares. For 30 consecutive business days from the 15th of August 2025 to the 26th of September 2025, the share price stayed below $1. Nasdaq has a rule called the bid price rule, which requires companies listed on the Nasdaq capital market to maintain a minimum closing bid price of $1. Aeries Technology Incorporated has unfortunately fallen below that threshold. Now, this is not an immediate delisting event. Nasdaq gives companies a chance to fix this. The company has a period of 180 calendar days from the notification date, which is the 30th of September 2025. This means they have until the 30th of March 2026 to get their stock price back up. This is often referred to as the compliance date. During this time, their shares will continue to trade on Nasdaq. To regain compliance, the company needs to have their Class A ordinary shares close at or above $1 for a minimum of 10 consecutive business days. If they manage to do this before the compliance date, Nasdaq will notify them that they have met the requirement, and the matter will be closed. What if they can't fix it by the 30th of March 2026? Well, there is a possibility of getting another 180-day period to regain compliance. However, to qualify for this extension, they have to meet other listing requirements like the market value of publicly held shares and all other initial listing standards for the Nasdaq capital market except for the bid price issue. They would also need to tell Nasdaq clearly that they plan to fix the bid price problem during the second period. This might involve doing things like a reverse stock split. Now, the dreaded part, if they cannot regain compliance even within any extended period, Nasdaq will notify them that their securities are subject to delisting. At that point, the company has the option to appeal this delisting decision. They can take it to a hearings panel, but the report is clear there can be no guarantee that this appeal would be successful. So what is Aeries Technology Incorporated planning to do? They say they will monitor the closing price of their Class A ordinary shares between now and the compliance date. They are also open to exploring different options to fix this problem and get back in line with Nasdaq's rules. A reverse stock split is mentioned as a potential strategy. However, the report also states there is no assurance that they will be able to regain or maintain compliance with Nasdaq's listing criteria. This filing is essentially a red flag, a warning to investors that the company is facing a significant challenge with its stock performance. While it is not an immediate delisting, the path to regaining compliance could be difficult and might involve actions that could dilute existing shareholders or fundamentally change the company's structure. We will be watching closely to see how Aeries Technology Incorporated navigates these choppy waters. Alright, that is our breakdown of this Aeries Technology Incorporated filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Do you think they will be able to rally their stock price? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.